Welcome to this detailed guide on Samourai Wallet, your ultimate choice for Bitcoin privacy and security. Samourai Wallet is designed for users who value anonymity and secure transactions in the cryptocurrency world. This wallet is equipped with state-of-the-art features like Pay and Wire, Stonewall, and Ricochet that elevate your Bitcoin experience to the next level. Upon landing on the homepage, you'll notice a clean interface that highlights its focus on privacy. Downloading and setting up the wallet is straightforward, with versions available for both Android and desktop platforms. Once installed, the wallet will guide you through creating your account. During the setup, you'll have the option to encrypt your wallet with a strong passphrase. This is critical to ensuring your funds remain secure even in case of a device compromise. The first standout feature is Pay and Wire, a unique identifier that allows you to receive Bitcoin without sharing your actual wallet address. Pay and Wire protects your privacy by preventing address reuse, a common way to track Bitcoin users. By clicking the Pay and Wire icon, you can generate a personalized alias and share it securely. Next, Samourai's Stonewall technology comes into play. It helps obfuscate transaction details, making it difficult for blockchain analysis to trace the source and destination of your funds. When sending Bitcoin, select Stonewall-enabled transactions to enjoy a higher level of anonymity. For those seeking enhanced protection, Ricochet transactions add an extra layer of complexity by including hops between multiple wallets before reaching the final destination. This further ensures that your transactions are untraceable. Another key feature is the wallet support for CoinJoin, a mixing service that combines multiple transactions into a single transaction, effectively concealing the origin and destination. You can access this feature under the Transactions tab and follow the simple prompts to increase your privacy. For maximum security, consider using Samourai's offline mode. This feature allows you to manage your wallet without connecting to the internet, safeguarding your data from potential hackers or breaches. Offline transactions can be signed securely and broadcast later. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. The wallet also includes Tor and VPN integration, enabling users to route their data through secure networks, further shielding their transactions from prying eyes. Simply navigate to the settings and activate these features for enhanced security. Finally, Samourai Wallet includes a robust backup and recovery system. Ensure you note down your recovery seed phrase and store it in a secure location. This will allow you to restore your wallet in case of any issues with your device. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more in-depth cryptocurrency tutorials, and hit the like button if you found this guide helpful.